Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Punisher in Marvel Rivals. Punisher is a duelist hero, known for his straightforward yet powerful kit, making him an excellent choice for both new and experienced players. He has a health pool of 275, so strategic positioning is key to maximizing his impact. His role is to apply constant pressure and secure eliminations with his versatile weapons. Punisher's primary weapon, Adjudication, is an automatic rifle perfect for mid-range fights and taking down airborne threats. For closer encounters, switch to Deliverance, his powerful shotgun. His culling turret can lock down areas and block incoming fire, while the Scourge grenade provides a quick escape or a visual block, letting you reposition effectively. Punisher truly shines with strong team synergies. Rocket Raccoon is an excellent partner, as his team-up ability provides Punisher with infinite ammo and a faster firing rate, turning him into an unstoppable force. Doctor Strange can offer crucial shields and portals for strategic movement, while Magneto can group enemies, making them easy targets for your culling turret or ultimate ability. Winter Soldier also pairs well, helping to control the battlefield and protect against agile foes. For advanced play, use Vantage Connection to quickly access advantageous positions or escape danger. Remember his passive, Warrior's Gaze, which allows you to track enemies through walls for 3 seconds, giving you a tactical edge. Unleash Final Judgment, his ultimate, in team fights to deal massive damage with dual Gatling guns and missiles for 10 seconds. Always maintain pressure and prioritize vulnerable targets to dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.